What's more profitable, Burger King या फिर Subway? So let's start with Subway first. Franchise fee $19,650. Real estate cost $300,000. Initial inventory $30,000. Working capital $30,000. Operating cost $50,000. Miscellaneous $50,000. Total initial investment $470,000. So you need an initial investment of $470,000 to start a Subway, which will make an annual business of $800,000, out of which you'll make an annual profit of around $150,000. Let's look at the numbers for Burger King now. Franchise fee $65,000, real estate cost $400,000, initial inventory $50,000, working capital of $100,000, operating cost around $50,000, and miscellaneous of $50,000. So you need at least $715,000 to start Burger King. And the average annual revenue your Burger King franchise will make is around $2.4 million, जिसमें से आपका annual profit होगा roughly around $200,000 to $300,000, which is almost double the business of Subway. So which one of them is your favorite brand? Tell me in the comments below.